Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's very clear to see that Bitcoin is holding very strong above the price of 104,000. Most of the altcoins are still struggling, but there is a positive sign that's starting to form, especially Ethereum slowly starting to show a breakout. This is all going to be bigger and better as Trump is going to be investing in the crypto market. You guys know a lot of the companies that Trump owns are going to be investing in crypto, and therefore the pump is going to happen as all the regulations are going to be in favor. First of all, XRP ETF approval in 2025, there is an 82% chance on Polymarket, and usually Polymarket is pretty good. At the same time, one of the categories which is trending is made in US. This should already give you a perspective. A lot of big things are around the corner, but what is one thing that everyone is going to require? That is a wallet. Now you guys know there's only a couple of big wallets which are pretty much leading the market right now. You can talk about MetaMask, you can talk about Trust Wallet, you can talk about some of the Solana ones, but there's not one which is the top tier, and that's where Best Wallet comes in. This is being used on many exchanges already and actually connections with a lot of big names as well. Best Wallet crypto is in pre-sale stage right now. Just to give you perspective, what is Best Wallet? Best Wallet's monthly growth rate puts us on track to capture 40% of 11 billion non-wallet market by 2026. Buy tokens and Best crypto pre-sale above or directly in app to enjoy the holders benefits, and the holders benefits are pretty good. Early access to new project, reduced transaction fees, higher staking rewards, and community governance. It's already been recommended by some of the biggest names such as 99 Bitcoins, ReadWrite, Crypto News, and Technopedia. How do you use this token? Well, there is a lot of things that this token is going to be used for. First of all, Best Wallet, which is going to be an app which you can use such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and this wallet will be doing all the basics that you know of, which is buy, store, deposit, withdraw, stake, and spend. Now after that, on top of that, there is a couple of things you will be able to do, which is these things, and those things are going to be governed by this token, which is going to be called Best Crypto. That token is in pre-sale stage right now. Right now, if you do want to purchase one Best is equal to about 2.3 cents. They have already raised about $8.7 million, so I still think it's quite early into this project. Even before the pre-sale comes to an end, I personally think that this token will at least make it to 30 million market cap. So from where we're sitting right now, it's already a 3x, and that's the lowest bare minimum which I'm expecting. At the end of the day, this is not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your own research. It is a meme coin, so you guys do need to make sure that you guys have a little bit of more knowledge before you decide to purchase into it. It's rated 4.5 on Google Play and Apple Store, and at the same time there is bigger things that's going to happen, which is the Best card. This is going to be a seamless spending your crypto holding in Best Wallet in real world transaction, pretty much what Coinbase and things like that do. Now another thing is they're in phase 2, new token launchpad, airdrop launch, and supports 60 plus chains, portfolio management feature, NFT gallery, rewards hub, and stop loss order, limit orders is going to be the phase 4. Right now there is a lot of people which are looking into this, and one of the biggest things is if you do decide to purchase this token right now, you don't have to just sit it out. You can actually go ahead and stake it away for a 200% return per annum. The audit has been completed, no problems at all, and you're going to be seeing the Twitter and you're going to be impressed. 37,000 followers with a golden tick, so they are connected to some big names. Also, the reach is quite good, about 80,000 views on the initial post, and that's saying at the same time 26,000 subscribers on Telegram. There is a lot of big communities which are actually backing this project, and this project actually has a lot of things for themselves as well, as they are trying to grow into something bigger than just a small token. Now keep in mind, Trust Wallet and those are going to be big competitors, but the rate at which Best Wallet is growing, there's definitely a huge potential, and this token will be needed pretty much like Trust token and things like that. It's going to be required to do the big things on this project, and as this project is going to go, this token is going to do well. If you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. It will just bring you to this website. You can just select buy with crypto or buy with card, and then you guys can just select how much Ethereum or USDT you want to convert into Best token, and then you can go ahead and stake it away. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. At the end of the day, do your own research. It's your money, so make sure you risk it at the place you want to. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you very soon.